In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. If you are familiar with JavaScript and basic React and you want to learn basically industry level or enterprise level React and TypeScript, then you should do three things before my next video. What are those three things? Basically, the requirement, the prerequisites, as I mentioned, is that familiarity with the JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, and fluent in the English reading, as these videos in the basically technical videos are going to be in English, because most of the documentation is also in English, so you have to be familiar with the English reading at least. And the third requirement is prerequisite, that you are self-doer, you are a man of action, right? Not just basically superficial motivation, but action is needed in order to achieve something meaningful in this. So before my next video, what you have, if you want to upskill yourself, and if you want to learn the React and TypeScript, which is currently being used in the industry level in large scale products, right? So in order to be part of this journey, you have to do three things on your own, because I am not going to help you in this. You have to prove that you can do this, right? You are able to do this on your own. So you have to install the Node.js version, right? This can be basically downloaded from this one for your environment, nodejs.org website, and the latest version is v20. If it is already installed on your system, then basically its version should be above 16 or so. The second thing is, and if you are not sure whether it is installed or not, I can tell you the commands. So you can do, what you can do is that node -v, this will tell you the version installed on your system. Okay, the next thing is you have to verify npm version as well. It is a package manager. It should be version 8 or above. So on my system it is 8.19.3. The first thing is you will install the Node.js package, right, from this website. The second requirement is that you have to install VS Code on your system. VS Code is popular IDE, right, for coding JavaScript related application. So this is the second thing that you have to install. After installing these two things, the third thing which is much needed is that you need to create the GitHub account as well, if you do not already have. So once you are signed up, have signed in for the GitHub, then there is an application, GitHub Desktop, which we are going to use basically to interact with the remote repo and basically synchronize our local repository with the remote one. So you have to install this GitHub Desktop as well on your system. So get ready, push yourself, take some action, right? Complete these three or four things before my next video, and then let's meet into the next video. Thank you very much.